use Asana to manage our work. For that, we create tasks. We have to add details manually to create these tasks. But have you observed one thing? Most of these tasks are based on emails we receive. So what if we could create tasks based on appropriate emails? This will help us save time and efforts. So let's start. Click on New Journey. Select Gmail as trigger. As we want new emails, select Get Email as trigger event. Click on Create New Connection. Enter name for your connection. Click on Link an Account. You'll see a pop-up window. Select a Gmail account. Click on Allow to establish connection. Next, we have to select Label where we are receiving our emails. For our journey, select Shared Label. As we want to create Asana tasks for shared emails, in steps we have to create tasks. So select Asana. Choose Create Task in Action. In a similar manner, we can create projects, subtasks, tags, and other things as per our need. Click on Create New Connection, enter name for our connection, then click on Link an Account. You'll see another pop-up window. Select Allow to establish connection. Add task name as subject of the email from data tree. Then select Workspace. From Project ID, go to Asana, select our project. From URL, copy Project ID. Add Project ID, select Assignee. If you want to add more details, then we can fill other fields as well. For now, these fields are sufficient. Save changes and start journey. To check our output, send one demo email. Then start it. Now go to Quickwork Journey Builder to check our journey execution. Yes, our journey is executed successfully. Now go to Asana. You'll see a new task is created with email subject. So, with few simple steps, we can automate creation of Asana tasks with Quickwork Journey Builder. To know more and get help in building automation workflow journeys, visit quickwork.co.